what you gonna do the island po. So mostly our tour today, ma'am sir, is more adventure because they're a combination of lagoon, beach, coral reef, and then lake. So mostly snorkeling, swimming, snorkeling, kayaking, and then climbing. Okay, they're a combination of more adventure now because today we need to climb up 367 stairs. Okay, first up, ma'am sir, we're going to Twin Lagoon. So Twin Lagoon, ma'am sir, now from here, approximate time to go there is just around 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, when we arrived there, our activities there, ma'am sir, it was swimming and then kayaking. Because from the entrance of the lagoon po, I will drop you by your kayak, and also you can discover at the second lagoon. So at the second lagoon, they have a beautiful white sand beach there. So it's not actually just only shallow now. So sometimes if the low tide is very low, so they expose the sun, the sand from the sun. But mostly if you don't have kayak, I will drop you from the entrance of the first lagoon and you can swim from the tunnel going to the second lagoon. But if you have kayak from the entrance of the first lagoon, you can surround the Twin Lagoon, so you can discover what they have at the back of the Twin Lagoon. So the water there, ma'am sir, is 70% fresh, 30% salt water. Sometimes we call it thermocline, sometimes cold, sometimes warm. So when you feel warm, maybe check around you, maybe do something.
Yeah, we'll try.
Yes, so our activities at Twin Lagoon, ma'am sir, now mostly kayaking and then swimming. Okay?
No alligator, right?
No alligator. Alligator was only in the municipality.
What, you mean a policeman?
Alright, after that, ma'am sir, we're going to Sayaw Reef. Sayaw Reef, ma'am sir, it was also good for snorkeling because around of Sayaw Reef, they have a lot of beautiful corals, many fish, and also they preserve their, ma'am sir, a lot of giant clams. So sometimes they have sea turtles now. But ma'am sir, when we go to this snorkeling, when you see some more interesting, please don't touch it, okay? Because under the sea, more colorful, more toxic. So be careful. Especially we have two kinds of species of fish, very venomous. Which is the first one is stonefish, and second is the lionfish. But mostly lionfish is the coral area exactly. But the stonefish was swimming around the beach. They staying in the shallow. It's 99% it's look like corals. So when you saw like, oh, these are corals, look like fish. So, but no worries, the lower part of body of stonefish is very soft, but the higher part, yeah, that sting there. So when you step them, they start to release this venom, and also they have a chance to stop your blood, attack our heart of the venom. Yes, ma'am. So that's why make sure you have shoes now. And also the first one, the second species of fish we encounter, the babies they swimming around the gas. No piranha. So that baby's stingray po actually they swim around the gas because when they gas at the beach, they feel very comfortable because they feel safe from the predator, because his predator is the black tip shark. So the baby stingray is easy to hunting by black tip shark. So that's why when they cast at the beach, they very feel safe. So that's why this, and also they're very kind now, but it's a problem when we step them, so they start also to sting you because they just protecting yourself. Okay po. So after Sayaw, we're going to the CYC. No, CYC, ma'am sir, is just the only one public beach here in Coron Island. No? So sometimes a lot of people from Coron, they celebrate the reunion or birthday party on that beach because it's a public one. But mostly our activities there, man, swimming and then kayaking. No? Because even you're not a good swimmer po, at CYC, I guess you're gonna be enjoying because it's too shallow. I think from the chest, depends on the height, how deep the water. No?
From the chest. From the chest.
Yes, po.
Not from the knee.
We can do also kayaking. We can surround that island po by kayak. It just around 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. After that, ma'am sir, we're going to Beach of 91. So Beach of 91, ma'am sir, is our port and also the one of the important destination today You have any idea po why beach of 91 is very important? Yeah, lunch. That's true, lunch po. Now, ma'am sir, we're talking about lunch. I just wanna know if they have allergies about food or some vegan. At least I can prepare some different.
A few moments later.
Ito yung next trip namin. Next trip namin, kainan.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Pass it all. Mayroon na pa. Ah? Okay. One more. It's counted. No more. Ah, Lolo, you. Ay, okay, one more. Okay. Okay. And here it is. Here's our food. This is the best part in our tour today. Kainan na! Ito yung grupo namin. Here's our group in the boat. Hello! Welcome! We'll eat a lot. Bernard, who cooked the food? You?
No ma'am, not me.
You're very honest. Oh, I like that food.
Pwede ko nang gamitin ito.
Sige sir, yung sarili.
Wag kayong mahihiya ha, wala na lang balutan. Our culture is after we ate that even furnace eating, may supot kayo.
We do like self-out.
They want to.
We have no idea what I'm going.
That's our culture.
1 hour later.
Lots of foreigners today. They're leaving. Bilis nila. How's your trip? Did you enjoy? Looks like you enjoyed. You stay there for a while.
Si Lolo, lakas ng loob nila.
Ang lakas talaga ng senior citizen. Leader pa eh. Aba talaga naman ang senior. Nainggit naman ako talaga. Honest to goodness, nainggit naman ako. Ang lakas-lakas ng senior citizen.